We successfully wrapped up Section 1 by understanding the skeleton of every C program, the main function, libraries, and statements. But right now, our program is just a structure that performs one simple task: printing hello, world. It can't do anything useful like calculating your taxes or storing your game score. The missing element is data. And in programming, the fundamental tool for handling data is the variable. This lesson marks the start of Section 2, Fundamental Concepts. We will dedicate this video to mastering the definition, declaration, and initialization of variables, the first step in giving your C program the ability to handle information. Welcome to Lesson 2.01. This is where the real programming begins. We are going to explore the basic building block of data management, the variable. By the end of this video, you will confidently know how to create a variable in C using three simple concepts: concept, declaration, and initialization. First, concept of a variable. What exactly is a variable? Think of a variable as a named storage location in the computer's memory. It's a reserved box or slot where you can store a piece of information, such as a number or a character. The key word is variable, meaning its value can change throughout the execution of your program. If you track a user's score in a game, that score will constantly vary, hence a variable. Second, declaration. Declaration has a strict syntax. First, you must specify the data type, and then you specify the variable name, followed by a semicolon. For example, integer age. Integer is the type of data you plan to store. When a variable is declared, the compiler is told that the variable with the given name and type exists in the program, but no memory is allocated to it yet. Memory is allocated when the variable is defined. When the variable is defined, which also means when the variable is initialized. Third, initialization, the first assignment. The next step is initialization. This is the act of giving a variable its initial value, its very first piece of data. You can do this in two ways. Way number 1, separate assignment. You declare the variable first, and then assign a value later. Like this, integer age, followed by age equals 25. The equal sign is the assignment operator. It takes the value on the right and puts it into the variable on the left. Way number 2, combined declaration and initialization. This is the most common practice. You define the type, name, and initial value all on one line. Integer score equals 100. Now you know how to create a variable. However, we have only used the placeholder type in so far. C is very strict about the type of data a variable stores, whether it's a whole number, a decimal number, or a single letter. Click on the next video to continue with Lesson 2.02. Variables. Basic data types. Integer, float/double, character. We will dive deep into the fundamental data types you need to know to store any kind of data successfully.